In this video, we're going to look at selecting numbers with a particular quotient. So first, just a little bit of vocabulary for you. We've talked about the fact that a sum is the answer to an addition question. The difference is the answer to a subtraction question. A product is the answer to a multiplication question. And now the word quotient, that's the answer to a division question. So the example says, choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Blank and blank have a quotient of 10. I also like this practice because it really is just familiarizing yourself again with the basic division facts. We've been working in class on your division facts of the 12 times tables, essentially. So as long as you're familiar with that, or if you have a times table chart in front of you, you should be able to do this. So immediately I'm thinking, hey, and I see 10, I see 50, and I see 5. I know that 50 divided by 5 equals 10. 50 and 5 have a quotient of 10. In this top example, it says the same thing. I see blank and blank have a quotient of 9. So I'm like, okay, with 9, I know 36. I'm just looking and thinking of different factors associated with 9. 36, and I see 4. I know 4 times 9 is 36. Therefore, 36 divided by 4 equals 9, or has a quotient of 9. In this bottom one, two numbers from the box, complete the division sentence. Blank divided by blank equals 5. I see 30 in there, and I see 6. I know 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Like we've practiced in class with the triangles, where we sort of say, okay, 5, 6, and 30 are all this multiplication fact family. You can say times here, divided by there. It's just good to be able to associate them all together. And the same thing in this last example. I have a bit of a harder time with my 12, so this one I did have to refer to my multiplication table. But having looked at that, I realized that 7 times 12 is 84. Therefore, 84 divided by 7 has a quotient of 12. That's it for this section. Good luck.